how to connect games to YouTube. So hello guys, in this quick draw video, I will tell you how you guys connect PUBG Mobile, Free Fire, Epic Games, Ubisoft, Steam to YouTube. So for that, you guys will simply go to YouTube. Here you guys will simply click on the right side U option. Now click on top right corner settings. Now here you guys will see connected apps. So simply click on connected apps. Here you guys will see Activation ID, Battle.net, Electronics Art, Epic Games, Garena, Crofton, and other apps or things like Ubisoft account. So for example, I want to connect Epic Games, so I will simply click on Connect. Here you guys will simply click on Connect. Now wait for some seconds. Here you will simply log in Epic Games, and once you log in, after that, your Epic Games will be connected to YouTube. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.